Bailey from Four Oaks, Sutton Coldfield. Enjoy my Radio 2 takeover. Be back with the tune soon.
The Radio 2
Takeover.
This summer, experience the wonder of the BBC Proms. Explore the unexpected and feel the force. Unmissable moments at the BBC Proms.
system rerouting due to traffic.
Stupid.
Friday the 19th of July on BBC Two
you're
and on
stupid.
From Oasis and Champagne Supernova to Van McCoy and The Hustle, what an eclectic takeover. Hi Craig, loving the takeover, some great tunes reminding us of our youth from Daniel and Davey in Norwich. Loving the tunes this afternoon, Craig, keeping the Shackleton trio entertained on the road on our drive down to Maidenhead. Well, it's the Radio 2 takeover of
coming in front of us, whether we like it or not. Why is it kind of out back like that? What the hell? Careful. Careful. Be careful. It's going out of traffic. What on earth? I've never seen that in my life, something to do with that. It's going out between cars, look. Careful, Christian.
Sorry.
Let's go now.
A contract hire agreement with an initial rental of 2,000.
Okay, Paul and Andy are with me. We're just laughing there about the Arsenal fan who came on there. Jake, the Arsenal fan who said to us quite openly they'd be very happy if my people's choice Tottenham Hotspur went on and won the Premier League. I think I sit next to Jake and why am I late?
Yo!
scared the shit out of me.